Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making crowd favorite honey buffalo wings. So let's get started. First we have to marinate these wings. In a bowl add 800 grams of chicken wings. Then add 2 tablespoons of corn flour, half teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of paprika powder, half teaspoon of garlic powder, quarter teaspoon of baking powder. Mix everything well and marinate these for 2 to 3 hours. Once the wings are marinated, heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan and add these wings. Place all the wings in the pan and cover and cook it for 5 minutes on low flame. Then change the side of the wings and cook these wings for another 5 minutes until they are golden brown in color. Remove these wings from the pan and set them aside. Now for the buffalo sauce, in a pan melt 3 tablespoons of butter. Once melted, add 5 tablespoons of chili sauce, 3 tablespoons of honey, 1.5 tablespoon of vinegar, quarter teaspoon of paprika powder, quarter teaspoon of onion powder and quarter teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well. Add all the wings in a bowl and drizzle this sauce over the wings and mix well to coat the wings with the sauce. And there you have it, delicious honey buffalo wings ready to enjoy. Perfectly spicy, sweet and absolutely delicious. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Happy cooking!